Want to know which Android apps hackers and ethical hackers are using in 2025? Today, we're revealing the most powerful, free apps that can turn your phone into a mobile cybersecurity station. Remember, this is for education and ethical hacking only. Never use these tools without permission. Let's dive in. First up is Termux, a full Linux terminal for Android, no root required. This powerful app transforms your smartphone into a portable command center, giving you access to a real Linux environment right in your pocket. Whether you're a developer, a student, or a cybersecurity enthusiast, Termux opens up a world of possibilities on your mobile device. With Termux, you can install programming languages like Python, Ruby, or Node.js, set up text editors such as Vim or Nano, and even add networking tools for penetration testing or server management. It's just like working on a desktop or laptop, but with the convenience and portability of your phone. Need to run a Python script on the go, or quickly SSH into a remote server to troubleshoot an issue? Termux makes it possible, allowing you to execute complex commands and scripts from anywhere, anytime. Do it all from your phone. No need to carry a bulky laptop or be tied to a desktop. The flexibility is unmatched. It's the ultimate toolkit for anyone serious about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or even just learning the ropes of Linux. Professionals and hobbyists alike rely on Termux for its versatility and power. The learning curve is real. There's a lot to explore and master, but the power and control you gain are truly unmatched. With a bit of practice, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Many advanced tools on this list can be installed directly through Termux, making it a must-have app for anyone looking to turn their Android device into a true Linux powerhouse. Next, Xanti is your mobile penetration testing suite. Scan any Wi-Fi network, see every connected device, and test for vulnerabilities with a tap. Simulate real-world attacks like man-in-the-middle, password auditing, and more. The interface is user-friendly, and it generates detailed security reports. Use it to find and fix weaknesses in your own network before attackers do. Hackcode is your reconnaissance toolkit, perfect for gathering intelligence on the go. Run ping, tracer route, DNS lookups, Google dorking, and port scans, all directly from your phone. It's lightweight, fast, and ideal for quick info gathering at the start of any security assessment. Before you even think about launching heavy-duty tools, every ethical hacker needs a reliable terminal on their phone. Enter Termux, a lightweight but powerful terminal emulator for Android that opens up a whole new world of possibilities. With Termux, you can install Linux packages, run shell scripts, code in languages like Python and Ruby, and even set up SSH connections, all from a simple, touch-friendly interface. It's the backbone for many mobile hacking setups, letting you transform your phone into a command line powerhouse. Whether you're learning the basics or scripting custom exploits on the go, Termux is where mobile hacking truly begins. Imagine having the full power of Kali Linux, the world's most popular penetration testing platform, right in your pocket. That's exactly what NetHunter delivers, bringing the legendary capabilities of Kali Linux directly to your phone, transforming it into a portable cybersecurity powerhouse. You can easily choose from several NetHunter versions: the App Store version for quick access, the rootless version for those who want more flexibility without rooting, or the full version for advanced users. Each option unlocks a different set of features, so you can tailor your mobile hacking experience to your needs and skill level. If you have a rooted device, you'll unlock the most advanced features, like Wi-Fi attacks, bad USB emulation, software-defined radio, SDR tools, and access to the entire Kali toolkit. This means you can perform complex security assessments, run custom scripts, and even connect your phone to other devices for multi-platform testing. With NetHunter, you can run powerful tools like Metasploit for exploitation, Wireshark for network analysis, AirCrackNG for wireless testing, and so much more, all from your mobile device, just as you would on a full-size laptop. NetHunter truly turns your smartphone into a pocket-sized hacking arsenal, giving you the freedom to test, analyze, and secure networks wherever you go. While it's designed for serious cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts, The capabilities NetHunter offers are unmatched in the mobile world. It's a tool that demands respect and responsibility. If you're searching for the ultimate mobile penetration testing platform, one that combines power, portability, and versatility, Kali NetHunter is the definitive choice. Droid Sheep demonstrates how insecure open Wi-Fi can be. It captures session cookies, letting you hijack logins on unencrypted networks. Use it to show why HTTPS and VPNs are essential for public Wi-Fi safety. Always use it responsibly, only on your own network for educational purposes. CSploit is an advanced open-source network analysis suite. Map networks, find vulnerabilities, crack Wi-Fi, and manipulate traffic, all in one app. Integrates with Metasploit for streamlined exploitation. Requires a rooted device and solid networking knowledge. For advanced users, it's a desktop-class toolkit in your pocket, perfect for deep, complex security assessments on the go. Wi-Fi Kill lets you disable internet for devices on your Wi-Fi network. It's a powerful lesson in how ARP spoofing can disrupt shared networks. Useful for network admins, but also a wake-up call about Wi-Fi security. Only use on networks you own. Understanding this attack helps you defend against it. AndroRat is a powerful remote administration tool designed specifically for Android devices. Originally created for legitimate purposes, it allows users to remotely manage and control Android phones and tablets from a computer, making it a versatile tool in the world of mobile technology. With AndroRat, you can take control of another device from anywhere in the world. This means you can access text messages, call logs, GPS location, and even activate the camera and microphone without physically touching the device. The level of access it provides is both impressive and concerning. While tools like AndroRat are often used by IT professionals to provide remote support and troubleshoot issues, they are also frequently exploited by cybercriminals as a method of malware delivery, turning helpful software into a dangerous threat. That's why it's crucial to test and analyze these tools in a secure, controlled lab environment. By understanding how remote administration tools operate, cybersecurity experts can better identify and defend against mobile threats. This serves as a stark reminder. Always install apps from trusted sources, carefully review permissions, and be cautious of anything unfamiliar. A single careless tap can compromise your privacy and security. Ultimately, studying remote administration tools like AndroRat is essential for building strong defenses and staying one step ahead of cyber attackers in the ever-evolving landscape of mobile security. Network Spoofer lets you play harmless pranks by redirecting or altering web traffic on your Wi-Fi. See how easy it is to manipulate traffic, change images, text, or redirect searches. It's a fun way to learn about man-in-the-middle attacks and the risks of open networks. Always get consent and use it for educational demonstrations only. Fing is the fastest, most user-friendly network scanner for Android. Instantly see every device on your Wi-Fi, complete with details like brand and type, run ping, tracer out, port scans, and more to diagnose issues or spot intruders. Detect evil twin hotspots and test your internet speed. Fing is a must-have for both home users and professionals. Packet Capture lets you see the raw data your phone sends and receives. No root needed. It uses a local VPN to sniff traffic from any app, analyze packets, decode SSL, CHA, TLS, and see exactly what's being transmitted. Essential for debugging, reverse engineering, and security research. It's transparency and control over your own data. WPS Connect tests if your router's WPS feature is vulnerable to brute force attacks. Scan for WPS-enabled networks and try default pins to check for weaknesses. If it connects, disable WPS immediately. Your network is at risk. Simple, effective, and a must for closing common Wi-Fi security holes. Always test only your own network. APK Inspector lets you decompile and analyze any Android app right on your phone. Peek inside APKs, review code, permissions, and resources. Great for malware analysis, app security audits, or just learning how apps work. It's a powerful tool for anyone curious about what's really inside their apps. Drive Droid turns your phone into a bootable USB drive for any PC. Store Linux, Windows, or rescue disks and boot any computer from your phone. Perfect for IT pros, ethical hackers, or anyone who needs a portable OS toolkit. Requires root, but eliminates the need for multiple USB sticks. Your phone becomes the ultimate portable IT tool. That's 15 powerful Android apps for ethical hacking and cybersecurity in 2025. Use them to learn, test, and defend, never to attack. Understanding these tools makes you a better defender. Explore safely, stay curious, and keep your network secure. Subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching.